clarification. In a future video, I'm going to talk about that I'm not going to Starbucks. And in this video, we're absolutely going to Starbucks. My no Starbucks edict is more about money, and somebody sent Meatball a gift card. So as long as I'm not paying, I still think it qualifies as we're not going to Starbucks. Ooh. What do you think? I know. Okay, hold on. Hold on. I know. Let your daddy. Let's close everything up. I don't want to film while driving when I get on the highway, but I will say this little drive is as a test run to see how secure all those doors are back there, right? All the cabinet doors that I put locking. Let's find out. I get nervous driving it. I don't do it enough. So, you know, this is all about using. Okay. We'll find out. We'll find out. All right, I know what the sound was. When I put the couch on the 500-pound drawer slides, I always knew I made the baseboard a little long, and it's not catching. So that noise was the couch pulled itself out. All right, we'll do that. But all the cabinetries, all the magnetics, and all the latches, so far, everything back there is solid. That's a problem. All right, Maple, come on. We're going to go inside. Let's get our treats, and then we're going to come back and assess and evaluate what has gone on back there. We have to wait. They're preparing it. I know. No drive-through. You know, the truck won't fit through a traditional drive-through. This needs the same latches as these. Oh, you know, the whole drill fell. Okay, let's turn on the air. Get up there. Come on. My goodness. We did not pass the mobility test. Man, that's good. It's even better that I didn't pay for it. I didn't know I was going to fix the couch in this episode, but let's fix the couch. And then I need to change out all of the push to pull. That little magnet's not enough. I agree. Okay, you want a little more and then we gotta go. A little more. There you go, baby. Let's go home. Let's go home. Let's go home, baby. Whee! I've done a lot, right? I've done a lot. I've done things that I didn't think I could do. The electric that I've done is the solar. It's the lithium batteries. It's the 12 volt. The next step is the 110. It involves a distribution box and then the leads to the outlets. I don't believe it's my skill set, and I'm going to call an electrician. I got a number in my head. It's $192 an hour. Will I throw 2 hours worth of money to have that done properly? That, number one, I'm not electrocuted. Number two, it doesn't burn down. So everything I'm going to do in this episode is the preparation of the outlets, the leads, and then fine-tuning my mobility issues. Everything is about contacting the electrician. So anyway, let's go home. You ready to go home? Let's go. Let's do some fine-tuning. Some things that I always knew were a problem, and some things that I just learned were a problem. The couch is on these 500-pound drawer slides. I always knew it was too long catch here. And it really is an easy fix. Yeah, unscrew the couch. Then I need to crawl underneath, unscrew it, slide it out, cut it, sand it. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. All right, let's go. That took way too long. But it's locked. Next. Today marks the 1-year anniversary of the U-Haul project. A year ago, I embarked on this mission full of enthusiasm, but unaware of the skills and money that it would demand. For the past 365 days, I've been troubleshooting. Come on, I need a win. Learning from my rookie mistakes and tackling one problem after another. So it's been a year of hard work with little time for enjoyment. You know, I've worked in the camper, but I've never used the camper. So I can't wait to finally start enjoying the fruits of this year-long labor. Ready for Mr. Meatball and I, because we're heading out for a 3-day Florida beach test run. All this took so much time. I just looked at my watch, it's only 12:30. So it's a couple days later, we need to have a confessional. Number one, why was my face so dirty? Why didn't you tell me? So this is what's been going on behind the scenes. As many as you know, this project has been a year-long adventure, self-taught problem solving. Along the way, I've learned that my original mistakes have a way of catching up with me. This past week, I discovered that I never installed the electrical protectant outlet boxes. At the time, I didn't think I needed them because all of the 12-volt switches didn't require them. But now, for the need of proper 110 outlets, I'm in a bit of a bind. I want to hire a genuine licensed electrician. They're not gonna touch this because of the fire hazard. So here I am faced with the daunting task of using an angle grinder to cut through my beautifully grouted mosaic tile. This tile was a nightmare to cut to begin with. And now I'm at the risk of cracking it. I hope it's a minimum. I'm hoping I can repiece it, regrout it. Has to be done. I have no choice. I need to install these electrical boxes so a licensed electrician can finish this job properly. It's exhausting to know that my own oversight has led to this. We learn from our mistakes and we move forward. So wish me luck. Reminder, to quote Yoda from Empire Strikes Back, there is another. Let's explain what I did. Speaking of the other, I'm not going to torture you with the vlog about doing that. This is all about calling that electrician, and it's not going to be in this vlog. I would have loved to not have this in there, but I think it's important. I think it's important about rookie mistakes, grace and forgiveness to yourself, and learn and listen to others. Listen to others who said, Tony, I don't think you buying a box truck's a good idea. Okay, so this did not fit. It's designed for 2x4s and a house. This is designed for an RV. It's actually too shallow. Shallow. I made my own. I cut it, I formed it, I melted a plastic epoxy bond. I have the duct tape on it while it forms and hardens, but I've made my own. Bastante.